You talk
course,
about the Jews and you talk about, the atmosphere right now in Palestine, but you did compare Indian Muslims to Jews. Do you think that was a little far fetched?
which have which have given permission, and they asked for open killing and rape of Muslim women, threatening. In fact, they even threatened a union minister. And then you have this mob lynching by these so-called protectors of cow, who are supported by the government. In fact, in the state of Haryana, they are given armed licenses. And who can forget the burning of those two boys of
That's still not
Rajasthan?
genocide like
No, it's,
Holocaust times during the
you see,
of the Jews.
do you want actual genocide to happen, or do you want to
Okay.
remind them this is how genocide happens?
Exactly.
You
Okay.
have genocide experts who has told us that what are the stages of genocide. Genocide, Hitler didn't just send. It started with saying, oh, you live in different areas. It started with telling them to wear armbands. It started them.
So you're
Uh,
saying we're on that path.
there were no, but according to many genocide experts, which are 3-4 steps are there. If the government of the day does not puts an end to all these mob lynching, all these targeted killings, and now what is happening in Maharashtra is 7 West Bengal Muslims were picked up from Bhiwandi and thrown inside Bangladesh area just because they happen to speak Bengali. How can you do that? And what right has the police got? There is a system in place. If you find anyone a foreign national, you have to inform the BSF SP. He in turn informs the 3 officers in MHA. They take a decision, then he's sent to a foreigners tribunal. Who are you? You are just picking up anyone who's speaking Bengali. You have made a detention center in Gurugram. What is that? Just because they happen to be Muslims and they speak Bengali language. There are so many incidents which have happened. So this has to end. If India has to become a Vishwa Guru, which everyone wants, you
Okay.
cannot
Yes, yes,
become a
yes.
Vishwa Guru by targeting the minorities of this country.